Mas pasik na nga king siyudad ng San Fernando ang kultura ng pamamasa. Tinanggap ng San Fernando LG yung 51 na libro bilang donasyon. King papalapit na pamamuklat ng CSFP City Library. Personal nang tinggap Mayor Vilma Caluwaging donasyon. Iba't king dating Civil Service Commission o CSC Director Edgardo Cruz. King gewang book turnover activity king Executive Building inyang April 8. Reng librong donasyon, sasaklola kareng niyayaliwang topics kalupan ng political science, research at thesis writing, self-help, health and nutrition, literature, communication arts, business writing, management at financial literacy. Agpangking LGU, maging partila reti, king koleksyon ng City Library, na italakad king kilog ng City Museum, akasalukuyang de-develop king City Hall. Papakit ng inisyatibong iting balaw sa partnership ng City Government at CSC, king panyulong ng learning, literacy at knowledge sharing king komunidad, kayagnaning kapag nasang apasiknangan ing reading culture dareng Fernandino. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga, balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.